Hi everyone, today I am doing VW Golf 2012 and this is the common problem, DSG unit. And if you can see, means if you plug the computer and then you're gonna see what error code is coming. So if we're gonna do the diagnostic on there, and then we can see, like, if it's going to read, okay, you can see P17BF is hydraulic pump play protection, and if repeats again, same codes, upper limit exceeded. And the third code is P17BF is same code, repeat. And the P0841 transmission fluid pressure sensors switch A range performance, it means the pressure is go low, and that's why it's showing on there. And P189C, that's the common code, restriction due to insufficient pressure buildup. It means the problem is in the pressure side, so means the pressure is somewhere is leak, or if not pressing the hydraulic system properly because of the low oil, could be. And but the common problem is in the valve block, Black's DSG unit. So we try to erase the code. The codes should be erased, but the problem should be there, because when you're driving and the car is playing up, like is driving fine, and when you press the brake is come on neutral, showing on neutral, and sometime is not showing on there, like D, and car is not going sometime in a reverse as well, and jerking. So if you go in the transmission, that error code was coming in, and if you go in the engine side, then you can see what code is coming in engine side as well. I am going to show you now. No fault code, because the problem is only just the transmission side. So we erase the code now, so should be no code coming, but when we gonna start driving, then code will come. So we can solve your issue. You can call me on 074025368382, and our address is 169 Henmouth Road 161, and you can contact us anytime. You can see my other video as well. You have any problem, we can solve your issue in 3 hours. If you bring the car to us, we will do complete job, take it out, repair it and put back. Or if you bring the unit, it's up to you. So you can call me anytime. My name is Terry in Hounslow. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.